Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Judy and welcome to Life with Judy. This is the Boxy Charm series, so I have June's box right here. And I know it's a little late since it's July, but I have been busy, y'all. Busy. And the next few weeks are going to be even busier, so I thought I'd quickly do this video before things start really happening here in the summer. You know how it is in the summer. Here and there and company and things of that nature. So anyway, let's get started. And same small box. Remember the first box I got was this big box, so I was expecting all the boxes to be that big, but whatever, same small box. So we'll just open it here. Okay, this is June's box. It's Dare to Dazzle Boxy Charm, and on the back again are all the products that are in this box. And so yeah, we'll get to it. It's not really a long video, but I like to show you what I got. So because I know I have to do a July box, probably in the middle of July, coming soon. So I guess we'll put this right here. The paper. The first thing I have here is body wash, Love Script. You know me, I have to smell stuff. I mean, good stuff. I'm not a pervert or anything. Oh yeah. So it smells just like a fresh shower gel type of thing. So that's nice by Love Script. Okay, I'm gonna stick this here. Next we have a product from NARS. So let's open it. Probably a lip pencil. What color? Red. Okay, that's really red. I don't really wear red a lot, so this will be interesting. I don't know. I guess with these boxes, some things you'll use and some things you don't, but chance you take. Next, we have True and Luscious Flower Dose Pumping Lip and Eye Serum. There we go. See what this looks like. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? It's like a little syringe. I don't know how to use this yet, but yeah, when I have time, I will figure it out. So that's interesting. I've never seen anything like that. Kind of cool packaging and the way it's displayed. Okay, next we have Luna Magic. I don't know what this is. Let's open it and see. Viva Pink. Cool. I like pink. Okay, I like that. Let me see what it is. Glasses. So, Luna Magic Eye Pink Lash Primer. Okay. Goes on your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. Alright. Never heard of that, but okay. Interesting. The last thing we have here, Spotlight OPV Beauty London Eyeshadow Palette. Let's open it up because I like to see what the colors are like. Okay, nice summer colors. Okay, so I like these colors. Can you see? Try to put them up close. Got some mattes, some shimmers. I kind of want to swatch some. I mean, look at this. I really love aqua. I like that one and that color right there. That'll be interesting to do. It has a nice little mirror, so yeah, I like it. I'll have to, when I have some time, I'll have to get back into doing makeup videos and enjoy that, because I really like swatching things and putting things on my hand. And anyway, so that is the box here. Let me put this in here. And yeah, So only 5 items this time. Usually it's 5 or 6 items. So here's this month's. That's what we got. Okay, so I'm wondering how you guys are doing. I was going to make a video earlier, like I said, but I had gone to the beach probably 4 or 6 weeks ago, and then my lips swelled up, and if I have a picture, I'll put it after this right here. But they were swelled up like 2 or 3 times the normal size, and I think they were allergic to the sun or something, and it's never happened before. I thought it was like a one-time thing, so I mean, it took 2 weeks for them to heal, and actually it happened again maybe 3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and my lips swelled up the next day, and so someone suggested I get SPF lip balm before I go out and put that on my lips. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. They're still healing. You still see, hopefully you can't see now. Keep that away. But I'm just wondering how you guys are doing. I know it's hot here in Southern Ontario anyway. And our air con just died yesterday, I think. Yesterday or the day before. So today it's been in the 30s here. And it's been really hot. I've been downstairs for half the day, but I had some errands to do this morning. But yeah, hope you're enjoying, I guess, the sun and the summertime. I really love summertime and stuff, and hopefully you're being able to get outside with some friends in the backyard or whatever now that stage 2 is open. So I'm hoping you're doing well, and yeah, enjoy your summer, enjoy getting outside, and I guess I'll talk to you in the July box. It should come towards mid to end of July, so I'll make a video then. I won't be as late. Had some issues here before, but we're all good, and enjoy your summer and your holidays. Thanks for watching. Bye.